Oil change the easy way. That goes in there. It sucks the oil out into the tank here. Don't have to go under the car. Oh yeah, I like it. Oh God, what did I do this time? Happy birthday to me. This is a 1999 Dodge Dakota. It's got a hitch on it. Bumper is junk. This doesn't open. It's rotten and shitty. Look at that. This was a company truck for many, many years. It's been off the road for a while. Has a rebuilt transmission. It's pretty well equipped for one of these. Power windows, locks. Apparently not mirrors. That's odd. Okay. Infinity sound system. Inside is okay. Console's out right now. That door's stuck. It won't open or close all the way. CD tape. Yeah, that's just in decent shape. Overhead console with trip computer. See that horrible economy you're getting. Got some headlights and stuff back here. A usable but unpleasant rear seat. Tires hold air. Front bumper's in the back. It's rotten and shitty. It's even got dang old Dodge right there. It's heavy. There we go. Oh yeah, dang old V8. It's the 5.2 or the 318. Runs pretty good. Exhaust is cut off because it's rotten and shitty. So I'm not going to start it. And obviously the battery's in the garage on the charger. Runs good, has a new trans. It's got the extra trans cooler, which is nice. Somebody removed the AC in a stupid way. I'll have to go through that at some point or not care because it's a rusty piece of shit. The cab is rusty and shitty. The mounts are still okay. The frame is in great condition. Oddly enough, you figured it'd be trashed with the way the rest of the truck is, but no, frame is good. This company bought it back in 03 with 36,000 miles on it. It's got 260,000 now. You can see here the door is slightly open. The bed is toast. That just needs to come off, I think, at this point. It's just junk. Hitch, though. Is there wiring? There used to be, I think. I don't know if that's for that, but it used to be wiring for something. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it was a whole $645 for this piece of shit delivered. It was brought here for me by a friend of mine. So, oh boy. What the hell am I gonna do with this fucking piece of junk?